And so we take this time now to turn within, to breathe into the knowing that we are always connected to that inner wisdom that guides and directs us. And we listen to these words by John O'Donohue. When the heart is ready for a fresh beginning, unforeseen things can emerge. And in a sense, this is exactly what a beginning does. It is an opening for surprises. Surrounding the intention and the act of beginning, there are always exciting possibilities. This is what excites artists, that allows them to take that moment in which the brush is taken in the hand and touches the canvas. Such beginnings have their own mind, and they invite and unveil new gifts and arrivals in one's life. Beginnings are new horizons that want to be seen. They are not regressions or repetitions. Somehow they win clearance and become fiercely free of the grip of the past. What is the new horizon in you, and what wants to be seen? Today we have been given a clean slate. All that has been gone before is forgiven. We breathe and we let it go. In this moment, we choose. We choose to begin again. This is a new day, and a new opportunity awaits us, beckons us. Can you feel it rising up in you? As you take that stone or that paper or that intention in your hand, feel it calling to you. Spirit has decreed a name for you to be written on that stone. What will this year of your life be called? Who are you to be? It may be a name. It may be a quality. It may be a new state of being. And as we go into the silence, it may come to you immediately. It may have already been working in you. Or you may need to sit with it, to listen. You may even walk out of here not really clear what is to be written on your stone. That's okay. For it is about your intention to be open to how Spirit is guiding you. And as the days go by, you will hear maybe a song over and over that captures your heart, something someone says to you. You will have an experience, and you'll say, "Oh, yes." You may write something on your stone and immediately understand what it means. Or you may get a symbol or a name and think, what is that about? This is our opportunity to trust and be open to whatever is revealed to us, and know that the wisdom of this year's experience and the life that is informing it will reveal the truth. So what is Spirit calling you to? What are you being asked to do in this new year? How are you being invited to show up as more powerful and more magnificent than you ever imagined you could be? That possibility beckons. And so, beginning with the words, I am, those powerful two words, I am, let us go into a time of silence and let us listen. And as we are guided, let us write whatever comes to us, that name, that phrase, that quality, whatever it is, we trust. So let us open now. I am in the silence. So if you received a word, an intention, then let that just sink in. And if you're still in a space of wonder, then just be open. Know that you are always being guided, that there is a place of wisdom deep within that is always calling to you. And so I invite you to just take a breath, open your eyes, and know that you are born anew. And so I would like to speak an affirmation and have you echo it back to me. Can we do that? And when you do, I want to believe you. You ready? I am powerful. I am magnificent. I am capable of being and doing anything I choose. Because I was created in the wonder of God. And so it is. Amen.